Hi, today I will be giving you the review of Himalaya Neem and Turmeric face mask. So this is the face mask I have applied. I got Bagla Kama. Huh? ಏಕೆ
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮಾತಾಡು. Sorry, he is my son. And today I will be reviewing Himalaya Neem and Turmeric face mask because I got a lot of rashes and the pimple on my face, and I thought I will try this out because Neem. I'm using this Neem face wash from almost from many years, and it is quite good compared to other face washes because you won't get the pimples and anything. If you are suffering from pimples, and really I will recommend this. So it will help to get rid of whatever the. So I can't able to focus this. This is Himalaya purified neem wash. Okay, whatever. So this is very good. Just like that, I just want to try this out, and I will be giving the review on this. Let's see the result. I will post after I've just applied 5 minutes back. When it will dry out, I will show you the result, how it will be, and what will happen to my pimple and all, because I have a lot of pimples on my face. This is some rose water I am spraying because it is drying out and it will form wrinkles if you are applying any face mask. So this is the actual procedure. You should dry but not make any wrinkle on your face, because already that is the good way. So wait for the result. I will be showing the result after some time. Thank you.